Hey guys, it's Tammy, and I am bringing you my CVS haul. I'm actually going to break this up into a couple of videos. This one is just laundry products. I mean, I can't believe the sweet deal that I got. Now, as you guys know, most people are doing the Dove buy one, get one half off, that coupon that just came. I'm sorry, but my CVS, I don't know about yours, but my CVS, a bottle of Dove is $8.99. No, I am not paying $9 for a bottle of Dove. There's a better deal going on at Walgreens. They're $5.99 there. So I put together a laundry only deal that includes laundry soap, laundry pods, and fabric softener. Hello. And I got it all for $4.58. So, first off, I just want to say thank you, CVS, for putting on this promotion of when you spend $30, you get a $10 gift card, not an extra buck. And the gift card is nice because one, it is not tied to your account. Two, they don't expire. And three, you can use it to pay taxes. As in an extra buck, you can't use to pay taxes. So, hello, cha-ching. I am saving mine for Black Friday, and you're allowed one gift card per CVS card at CVS. Only one per week. So next week there will be another spend 30, get a $10 gift card. You can get that too. And it usually goes for like 3 weeks. So like I said, I'm saving mine for Black Friday. Hello, why not, right? So let's just get right to it. Um, I went to the red box machine, scanned my card 3 times. CRTs just starting spitting out at me. I was like, holy crap, going through them. I had a $10 off 40 laundry, paper product, cleaning product, CRT. I was like, okay, I'm already spending $30 on laundry supplies. Let's make it 40. Then there was also a $3 off 12 laundry CRT. I was like, cha-ching. I mean, right there is $13 off. I was like, oh, and then with my coupons, hello. So let's just get right to it. This is an all laundry deal. There is no Dove involved in this transaction. I will never buy Dove from CVS. So this is the 100-ounce Tide. It is part of the spend 30, get a $10 gift card. It is on sale for $12.94. You want to use the $3 off coupon that was in the 1027 P&G on that. Then we have Tide Pods, and I got 2 of them. They are part of the spend 30, get a $10 gift card. And so they are $4.94 a piece. I had one digital $2 off coupon that I clipped to my card. I also had a $2 paper coupon from the 1027 PG. Then they had Gain as part of the spend 30 get $10 gift card. This is $4.94. I had a $2 off digital that I clipped to my card. Also, part of that is the Gain fabric softener. Now, you can get the 105 count sheets too, but my store was out of them, so I got the liquid fabric softener Gain. There is a this is $4.94. This is part of the spend 30, get $10 gift card. And I had a $2 digital that I clipped to my card. And then this is the special deal. This is what, because those other products put me at $30. These, when you buy 2 at $5.94, you get a $2 extra buck. Cha-ching. So I had one $2 digital that I clipped to my card. And I also had a $2 paper coupon from the 1027 PNG. So for the two Tide liquids, the big jug of Tide, the Gain fabric softener, the Gain laundry soap, and the two packages of pods, my total came to $44.58. I got $10 off because I had a $10 off of 40 laundry, cleaning supplies, paper products, CRT. I also had the $3 off of 12 laundry soap CRT. And then with all the coupons, my total came to $16.58 plus tax. I used $16 in extra bucks from last week. I ended up paying 58 cents plus tax, but excuse me, that's why I've been gone for 2 weeks. I was sick. I still have this cough. So, okay, so back to it. So I used $16 in extra bucks. My total came to 58 cents plus tax, but I got back $10 gift card for the spend 30, get a $10 gift card, and $2 in extra bucks for buying the two smaller liquids. So my total out of pocket with extra bucks included and subtracted came to $4.58 plus tax, or making them 65 cents a piece. And 65 cents a piece, 65 cents for the 100 ounce of Tide. Hello, you can't go wrong with that. That's why I did not include Dove in my deal. Everyone else is including the Dove at $8.99. I ain't paying that. I'm cheap. But when it excuse me, when it comes to body wash, $9 at CVS, they are on some serious drugs. All right. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you like that laundry deal. Next up will be a oral care mouthwash, toothbrush, and toothpaste breakdown, you guys. Unbelievable. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.